Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to fix the messenger error that says could not connect to your camera or microphone. So let's get started. First, go to your phone settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and search messenger. Go to permissions. Make sure it has access to both camera and microphone. Choose allow. Let's go back, tap microphone, and for this as well, choose allow. Then close Messenger completely, remove it from the recent apps, then reopen it and try a call again. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the connection glitch. And you can also try clearing cache. For that, you need to go a few steps back. And on the app info section for Messenger, scroll down and go to storage. And here tap clear cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your messages. And then update the app. Open the Play Store, search for Messenger and tap update if available. Old versions of Messenger often cause camera and mic errors. And if it still does not work, restart your phone. This refreshes your hardware and can reconnect the camera and microphone. Make sure other apps like WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, or Zoom are not already using the camera. Messenger can't connect if another app is using it at the same time. And that's it. Your Messenger camera and microphone should now be working again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech fix videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.